As you bring awareness to your higher self, we invoke the soul, the white sphere of light above your higher self, seeing a shaft of light between the two of them. We will go higher into the oversoul, which is larger in diameter and even brighter. We invoke the energies of Shekinah and the crystallus Christ consciousness. We invoke the energies of Elohim and Elohas, the masculine and the feminine of the universal light. We invoke the energies of all the deities, all the divine feminine females that came here to represent the Shekinah light. We invoke the energies of Metatron as the blanket of Metatron's light expands around us, creating a geometrical grid around our bodies, around our energy fields, illuminating the light. We call upon the angelic beings, the light of Ezekiel, and all the angels that serve the Ezekiel light. As we align ourselves with the light of Shambala, where the divine feminine resides within the fifth dimension of light. We call upon the great logos and the light beings to illuminate our presence, our fields, our bodies, our cells, every corpuscle, every atom within us. As we open our crowns and allow that spiral of light to expand 1 meter wide, and we say, the Divine Mother, I not know what I do, but you do. Guide me in every moment, in every thought, in every breath. O Divine Mother, I surrender fully. Every thought, every desire, let it be yours. As that crystalline light starts to flow down through your astral body, through your mental body, through your emotional body, through your physical body, illuminating all the chakra systems within the energy fields, all the meridians. As that light continues down within every vessel, that light starts to penetrate through your nervous system, through your face, through your head, through your neck, your shoulders, your arms are completely being enveloped in the divine feminine light, with a complete peacefulness and joyfulness, you accepting it. With a gentle smile, your heart starts to emanate light, the light of the Mother within you. She flows through every organ, through every rib, infusing you in this beautiful crystalline light. She flows down through your hips, invoking the light within every part of your body, every organ. Your whole endocrine system is being filled with a divine feminine light, the light of nurturing, the light of surrender, the light of the inner knowing. You feel that light flow down through your knees, through the soles of your feet, as the waves continue from your crown down and all around you. Your energy bodies are naturally being recalibrated, realigned, as you channel that energy down through the soles of your feet, deeper and deeper into the depth of the earth, into the center of Gaia. As you come into the center of Gaia, into the infrared light inside of Gaia, now the Shekinah energy is being formulated within the center of your upper heart into an emerald green light, creating a pyramid structure outwards in front of your heart and in the back of your heart. Merging physical reality through the heart center and the throat center with the fifth dimensional city of light. Your crown is wide open, receiving the codes of light. As the three major centers are being activated, one within your belly, divine will. You feel that ball of light expanding within the center of your belly, creating a balance within your feminine and masculine energy. As the heart is being filled with love and playfulness, you smile into your heart. You can't help it but to smile how beautiful and powerful this light is, the true essence of yourself, the peacefulness in the mind, vibration of Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey flows down from above your crown is the Yod. In your mind, Hey. In your heart, Vav. And in your belly, Yod. As you repeat this mantra, Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey, feel that light flowing down through you, creating a pillar of light, anchoring deep into the earth from the great cosmos of the light of Shekinah into the light of Gaia. Now take a moment, bring awareness to your heart. Just be there. Just be. Transcend into that space. Into the space beyond spaces. Staying within that light. Feeling that light fully emanating. Take a moment now, come back up higher into your soul. Now raise the vibration of your soul even higher to the oversoul. And from there, raise the light from your heart up again into the soul and into the oversoul. And from there, shine that light to all the aspects and all the timelines of your other souls, sending them love as tentacles of light being released from your heart to the oversoul, and from the oversoul being sent to all the souls and all the lifetimes where you are existing, filling them with light and love, as now they start to send love back to you, to your oversoul, and you feel that love coming back down to you. Take a moment to start breathing deep into your body. And whenever you're ready, you start coming back to yourself.